Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Leos. So let's see, we have five of cups in reverse, 10 of pentacles, and the devil. So Leos, in your situation, it may be in your career or in your personal life, there are some kind of addictions, or you are maybe overindulging in something. Maybe, guys, it may be something like a habit. If it is something health oriented habit like dieting or exercise, you can go with it. But if it is something that is going to affect your health like drinking, smoking, this overindulgence, it is just going to give you lot of troubles, guys. So you need to take care of yourself, Leos. And I also see in your situation, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, someone you had wished for to come back, maybe. So this person may be your friend from work, or a friend, your school friend, or it may be your past person, your ex love. So someone from the past with whom you had lost contact for a long time. So this person is visiting you, guys, surprising you with their visit. So you are happy and you have that happiness because of them, or this person is coming to help you get over these addictions, or they would have heard of your situation and they are coming towards you, or it may be your energy towards them. So you are going out of the way to help someone in your situation. So it may be your friend or a family member. So you are visiting them, maybe helping them. And I see that you have emotional satisfaction and contentment today, guys, in your situation. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first. So we have Chariot in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, this may be what this person feels or what you feel. Maybe for some of you, you feel really defeated with this person. So maybe you would have promised something to them and you're unable to keep up that promise, or it may be something you had told them and you are not able to do it. So some kind of a broken promise, or some misunderstandings, or they may point out your mistakes. They know your mistakes or secrets. So you feel defeated and you feel worried because of that. But what you have between each other is true love, guys. So maybe this situation is not going to change the way you feel for each other. A very positive energy here, guys. So though they know your mistakes, or though they know that you have made some false promise, they are standing by you. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Cups. So in your career situation, things are going in a positive way, Leo. So the right things you need to do. You have that perfect understanding and clarity in your situation, and you are a person who is really responsible, caring, and you have that skills and talents. So you are moving in a positive way in your career situation, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want to watch the pick a card love reading, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy tale story. So we have two cards and it is going to be two different stories. If you are interested, you can watch that, Leos. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is a fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life. It may be in our relationship or it may be in our day-to-day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook. Listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister or a brother, telling you something. You need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also. in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not changed by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them. Or maybe for some of you, it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today. But you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.